Hi, my name is Dr. Ingabire. I am a general dentist. I am at A2 location here at MyCHN. I have been a general dentist for the last 12 years. I started off in a private practice, and I joined MyCHN since 2014. It brings me joy and satisfaction in helping people. Dentistry has allowed me to relieve pain quickly. I enjoy seeing people smile after surgery or a procedure. Lastly, this is a mission. Dentistry has allowed me to do mission trips in Africa and also here in the US. I enjoy going to underserved communities and helping people. And this is something that I really enjoy ever since I started practicing dentistry.